Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix mic is not working on Discord. So first of all, make sure to open Discord as admin and then look if the mic is working or not. If the mic is not working, then what is just to do here is to go to settings. So you just need to press your icon. Of course, make sure mic is not muted on Discord or on your headphones. And then you just need to go to voice and video here. Under the voice, scroll down until you see microphone, make sure the right is selected. Also make sure when you talk your mic is picked up. And also then if it's not working, then what is just to do here is to simply go to a debugging, and then here you will see reset voice and video settings. Click this and look if the problem persists after that or not. If the problem persists, then you need to go to volume mixer. While Discord is opened, then look for Discord and make sure the Discord is not muted here. Also make sure the right input and output device is selected here. For me, it's as you can see here, should be these ones, and also should be this tab here. Yeah, and make sure the mic the sound is not muted here, and also here right microphone and headphones is selected. And if this did not work, what I suggest you to do next is to go to on sound settings again, sound settings. Then you need to look for a more sound settings. And on more sound settings, make sure your microphone that you use is set to default here, set to default. Then make sure it has proper sound. Here it's not muted, and also allow applications to exclusive control of this device and give exclusion mode is selected. Then the next thing what you need to do here, you need to look for playback and then look for a headphones that you use. Not playback, I'm sorry, but you need to go to microphone and then go to advanced and then just toggle off audio and persist after that. And if the problem persists, what I suggest to do here is to just uninstall and reinstall Discord and look if the problem persists or not. So, but it should definitely fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.